Welcome to Unlimited Ideas, your go-to destination for all things 3D printing and laser engraving. I'm Sam, and today I want to show you a new product filament I got from the Amazon. And again, this is the YOUSU brand. Last time I was browsing in the Amazon, I found other product of YOUSU, and then I saw this filament. I thought maybe it's better to get it and test it out to see how we can print with this type of filament. And this type of filament, it is advertised as a triple color filament, and I would love to see how we can print it and what we can print it. They have some requirement here or suggestion here. I'm going to follow them and print some, and I'm going to print some object to see what we can print it and how they can turn out. This one and this filament, based on what I see here, we have a green, yellow, blue, and sort of pink or purple one. If I can show you here, we have these three different colors. Let me print some object, and then I'm going to show you how they turns out. I've done some printing with this filament, with the YOUSU one, and the turns out wonderful. This is a small tower I printed, and as you can see, it's changing the color in every direction, and it's very beautiful. The combination of a blue one and the yellow one is a very nice bright color. Also, the color between the transition color between the blue and the goldish one, it's a nice color and is very, very bright. I printed this one. I printed this vase in vase mode, and this bust for the Batman, and it turns out very nice and beautiful. I like the texture and the color. This part, I don't know what happened, and at the beginning it's a yellow color, a golden color, and the rest of it is a purple color. I don't know what happened here. And for the setting the color, to make sure at the front it is one color and the behind is another color, you can use this dial. You can print this dial and figure out which color you want to have it at the front, or back. If you are interested to know about these wheels, please let me know. I'm going to create another video for this style. It's a great invention. I love it. This is a short video just to show you how you can bring and what you can expect from the this filament. It is a triple color from YOUSU brand. If I don't mistake it, they have some other colors. I may try those as well. Thank you for watching this short video, and I will see you next time.